Hey, my name is Cameron Buckner, and I am a Datadog Engineer at RapDev. A day-to-day process is usually meeting with clients, having an open discussion, whether it be from a tagging strategy to build out how we would like to tag the resources. That way we can implement the Datadog solution and then start building dashboards, monitors, and other resources that they would like to do to get a full picture of their environment. One thing I do enjoy about my role is I get to see a vast amount of data and different environments. What I like about my team is we have a very knowledgeable team of people who have several years of experience, and everybody is super incredibly helpful and nice. I didn't have too much previous observability or Datadog experience, but in my going on 2 years working here at RapDev, I have basically come from zero to hero, and I've learned an incredible amount of stuff working with all the lovely clients and amazing team members. Some of my favorite things that I've worked on is, I would say, Kubernetes. Previously coming into RapDev, I did not have too much knowledge on containerized environments. However, working with various clients, I have seen how an enterprise would use Kubernetes, how a normal startup or normal sized company would use Kubernetes, and I would say that's definitely boosted my knowledge and experience with that technology. Working with Datadog logs, I've learned that customers typically will want everything ingested into Datadog. So some things that we'll typically do is help them either A, optimize their cost within Datadog with their logs, or B, will help them, say, do you really need these logs? And kind of help them take a step back and look at it from the business perspective of what they actually need ingested into Datadog. Working with different clients, what I like about seeing in their environments is usually we'll have different tools that they work with, either internal tools or open sourced tools. So what we usually do is we'll either take a review of those internal or open source tools, provide best practice recommendations to help accelerate their development process and internal usage. Working at RapDev as a remote employee does have its benefits. Outside of obviously being able to be remote, my team members are still but a Slack away. If I need any assistance with anything, all of my team members are willing to jump in and help me out. I do also get to come out here once a quarter and spend time in office to further build those relationships with my colleagues. RapDev has grown a lot in the past 2 years since I first got hired here. It's always interesting to see the Slack numbers in the channels go up, and especially considering I am a remote employee, it's always nice to see new faces every time I come into the office for the quarterly meetups. The culture here, I will say, we do value transparency, so if you have something or any issues going on, it's better to just say them instead of holding them back. We are all here to help each other out. We're all here to make sure we have happy customers, and we're also here to make sure that we're having a great time.